Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today is Temu time! So let's go ahead and check out what I was able to get on Temu. Okay, the first thing I want to share is these journal, I like to call them journal texture pieces. So these are a good addition to add to journals. And the shop has it in different colors. So I want to get a color that I don't, well, I use red, but I want to get off of the pink just so that I could use different colors. But all this is different papers and different textures. So you do get some mesh, like the snow mesh. You have another one, a red one. And then you do get one a square. You do get the mesh that you put. Now I have a roll of this stuff. That kind of webby mesh. Oh, look at this one. Real nice. Love that. And each color has the same thing, just different colors. So you got some vellum. Oh, look at this. Some hearts paper. So, square. That one. Oh, I do like this. Like a foliage type floral. I forgot what you call that. And then like a crumpled paper. You could get a regular one. Now these papers are thin, but they you can use them for like journaling. Look at that. And then a lace. So nice. I love this. I think I bought this in black or silver, and I really like it. So I went ahead and got the red one. Okay, next thing I have here are these flower charms. And wow, these are actually really good size. And they do come in purple, yellow, blue, white, dark pink, and light pink. So look at that. And they are big. They are really nice. We got those. Okay, next thing I hauled is this cross, and it says faith, and it does have a cross. And I believe you have the cross here, and the faith goes on the side, I think. But I'll put a picture in the video. And this one I gotta cut. I gotta see how that cuts. So I got that one. And then I did get some bunny ears cabochons. So these are the flatbacks. And I see a broken ear. Oh, actually I might have a few broken ones. Oh yeah, there's a few broken ones. That's gonna be a return or refund. Next thing I hauled are these butterfly napkins. Now these are super pretty. Look at that. You get two sides. I think you have a total of 4, I think, on the fold. And I know they do have a blue one. Trying to be gentle. But yeah, you do get 4 sides. Look at that. So I got that. I got this for spring Crafty. And then of course I ordered another pink one, just like this one here. So it comes with the exact same stuff. So I won't open that one, but I did get a pink one. And then I saw these little cuties, and these are also napkins. These are bunnies. And this one's cute because it has a one napkin. I believe it has different colors. But it does have the green in the back. Let's see. Yeah, so this one, you get 4 different colored bunnies. The yellow, the green, the blue, and the red. So I thought that was super cute. Love that. Be good for crafting, for Easter. And then I also hauled some, these are some crosses and they're beads. They're not for, oh, actually, let me check. They actually do fit a pokey tool. And a pokey tool, this one is 2 mm, so it does fit a 2 mm. So it fits pokey tools and beatable pins. And they come in a variety of colors. So you got those colors, pink, blue, purple, clear. You got some blacks in there, white. So yeah, I got those crosses. Beautiful crosses. Another thing I hauled are these Peeps ornaments. Now I'm not using them for ornaments. Oh wow, so it's like a plastic wood? I don't know, but these are actually awesome. Look at these. And these are a cute size. Look at that. Real nice. So you get the pink, yellow, orange, blue, and green in here. And there are amazing sizes. Look at that. I think I might have to get more of that. There's those. And then I did get these here, and these are like cute little seahorses. You get them in orange, like a lime, yellow, green, pink, purple, and dark pink. And they're super cute. Look how cute they are. I got those. Now this one, I got some beatable pins. Now, the thing, I didn't read it closely, but it is until after, but I had already did this order. This one, this say you get 12 piece, and I thought, oh wow, you get 12 pins, but you get 2 pieces of pin, you get 2 pins and 10 refills, which would be the 12. But either way, the pins are still pretty. Look at those. It's the pink and then the black one, and then you do get this. I got those there. And then the next die I got are some like insects. This one comes with snail, caterpillars, some leaves. I got that. Look how cute those are. But I love, love, love. So the next thing I hauled were these little cabochons, and these are like spring Easter vibes to it. You do get a little lamb, a rabbit, a little chickie, a hedgehog, and a squirrel. But look how cute they are. And you get 2 of each of those. I got those. Okay, so this one is a rebuy. These are another insect where they have ladybugs, a snail, a bird, and the bee. I got those. So I bought those in a video prior. Okay, next thing I hauled are these. It's like a almost like sweet cabochons. You get some strawberry, you get little cakes, donut. Yeah, almost like a hamburger. So you get little foods, different little foods in there. I got those. And some of those, actually they're thick enough where you can make them into a little charm if you wanted to. Then I did get some cutie patootie bunnies. And they do come with a little cream. They're brown bunnies with a cream bow on it. Look how cute those are. Cute, cute, cute. I love those. Love it. Okay, the next thing I have were these little mermaids. I believe you get 10. Look how cute she is. Love that. So cute, so cute. And then I also hauled some more little bugs. Look how cute those are. Some more ladybugs, snails, and a dragonfly. No, butterfly. Look at that. Real cute. Love, love, love. And then the last thing I hauled were these little cabochons. And these are from Pop Mart. But I thought these are super, super cute. Look at that. How cute are those? Yeah, so, yeah, I love everything I got. Everything is so cute. So I will put all the links below if they're available. But yeah, the one that impressed me were these peeps. So that's actually pretty awesome. Well, yeah, this is my little haul I want to share with you. I will put all the links below. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I think I love it all, but I do like these peeps. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.